Hi guys! Good evening. It's 6 PM na. Grabe, hindi pala ako nakapag-vlog today. As in, ngayon lang ako mag-start mag-vlog. OMG. Anyway, yeah. Wala rin naman masyadong ganap kasi puro work lang din talaga. I've got 2 more correct days until my holiday. So yeah, that's exciting. Dami ko na gusto gawin. Dami ko na gusto linisin dito sa bahay. Yes, that's So, andito nga pala ako sa room. Mag-work. Kakalipat ko lang actually. Pinalipat ako ni Samo kasi kakatapos niya lang mag-work and maglalaro siya sa sala. So, ayan. Ako yung andito ngayon. Ang aso ang kakagaling lang sa labas. So, happy naman this dog. Talagang lapit agad sa akin. Okay. Finally home. And there you go. Some cookies na actually hindi siya cookies. Talaga ng cookies. Digestives. Chip. Yan. From the grocery kasi ako kanina. Nakalimutan ko palang i-vlog. Ayun. So yeah, this is good. This is really good. From Tesco. I like yung mga snacks ng Tesco. Masarap. Masarap. Bye. Thank you. Happy holidays. Cute. Hi guys. So ayan, it's 8:59 PM na. Magta-9 na. I only have 1 hour for my workday. And may mga batang nasa sahig. Ayan. Si Samo, kakatapos lang niya magpamasahe. Sana all. Nagpapamasahe siya habang ako nagmi-meeting. Ganon. Babe.
What?
How's your massage?
It's good.
It's good?
Yes.
Really? Oh, that's why you felt so relaxed. You lied on the floor. Our floor is not even clean yet. Hi everyone, good morning. So, hindi pa ako naligo obviously because I already started working na para maka-apag-out ng maaga. And yeah, today is my last day of work for 2020. So happy holiday ko na! Starting mamaya. Yes. Ayan, nakaligo na ako and nag-break ako from work because I'm cooking and naglinis din ako ng sahig. So, dahil madumi ang sahig at yun. Ayan, so anyway, I'll be cooking our lunch. Ayan, so maayos na ulit yung lagayan ko ng aking camera. Daming hugasin, no? Mamaya isang maghugas. But, yeah. So, I have kamatis here. That's for, ang lulutuin ko kasi ay pusit. So, I have my kamatis there. I need sibuyas and bawang. Yan. Time-lapse tayo. So, Samo is making coffee. He's going to make coffee for himself. And then I told him, if you're going to make coffee for yourself, you should do it for me too. Because tuwing magkakape siya, gusto ko na rin magkape. So, he should do it for me too, right? Right?
Yes.
Day starts now! Ay!
Why are his faces? It was like this. Look, Sam.
What was his face?
No, look.
What?
It's not funny. Come here, go shit boy.
Naabangan niya nang lumabas sila ni Samu. Kanina pa siya dyan. Pinaghihintay nung isa. Nilagyan niya na ng tali, ng tali. Nilagyan niya na ng tali, pero hindi pa rin sila umaalis. Kakaloka. Ayan, so, actually, tapos na ako mag-work. Pero maglalag out na lang ako and maglalagay na lang ako ng task ko. Yeah. It's a holiday. It's a holiday. 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 Merry Christmas and a happy holiday this season. Grabe, hindi ako sanay. Papakash. Holiday. Parang feeling ko mag-work pa rin ako next week, pero hindi na. Yes, I have 3 weeks of holiday. 3 weeks of holiday. Saya ko no? Hi guys. Hello guys. So ayan, gulo na hair ko. Kakatapos ko lang maglinis ng CR. And maya pagkatapos na isama ko kumain, maglilinis ako ng kitchen. Right now, inaayos ko yung mga pinalaundry ko nung nakaraan. Kasi ngayon ko lang siya malalagay sa damitan. So yep, yun ang gagawin natin.